Hi y'all, welcome to my full country farmhouse tour for Christmas 2024. I'm very pleased to share it with you. So let's get started here on the porch. I did my front door this year with magnolia wreaths and some Norwegian spruce, and hopefully I will get a shot of when the lights come on. I've got solar lights intertwined here, which is new for me. I invested in some lighting this year from Dollar Tree. This is my first year with lights. So that is the entranceway, and then before we go inside, I'm just going to go a little bit backwards. Oh, just had some leftover greens, and I made this little vignette on the little table that we have out here for conversating, and so that's how that looks. And then I liked this, but last year I put up this little reindeer sign I got at Dollar Tree, and my old skates and sled from when I was a kid. I've kept them, and they're veritable antiques now, and they do really well for decoration. So I added the skates this year. I found them in the attic. They were hanging up in the rafters, and I hadn't really known where they were. I got this beautiful blue spruce from my church. They have a beautiful old tree, and they kindly allowed me to cut some down, as well as the magnolia, which is a real southern green to decorate with this time of year. And then I had a lot of fun. Doing my planter. So in these planters, I put magnolia with some of these. I think it's like flaming bush or burning bush. They have their berries this time of year. I just plucked out of my yard. And then some moss around the fill in, and also some cedar. So I've got one on either side, and I think they're gonna last probably. As you walk up to my house, you'll see our worn out bench and this little display. Kept it very simple. We've been moving a lot of furniture in and out, hence the bungee cords. Haven't gotten those out of the way yet. It's been a crazy busy Advent, but we are almost to the end now. So let me show you inside. Here's the front door. I still need to fix this plexiglass here that I cracked 2 years ago, but you know how these things go. So this is the first year that I have been able to do lighting, and I'm so excited. Last year I spent a lot of money for me, very thrifty or cheap, however you want to put it, buying ribbons and bows. And this year I got these battery powered lights at Dollar Tree, and I'm just loving this glow. We have this little side table here. This is a decoration that my 4-year-old put up. I love when the kids get into decorating, and I always like to encourage them. So, oh, my Mary statue's off center because we did have some flowers. Did have a vase there until just a couple hours ago, so I'll get some more flowers for her before Christmas. But there she is presiding over this beautiful, just some different creche scenes and statuettes that have been a little girl's idea to put all these things together. And then as we travel along, this is my front staircase. I made another magnolia leaf wreath. I just ended up hot gluing the magnolia leaves on, and it's just hanging there. It's not secured other than hanging there. And then I always love to display all the Christmas cards we get. This year I hot glued them to some branches that I taped on the other side, because I don't like having something actually on the railing itself. It kind of makes it hard. You don't realize how much you use that for balance until you've got greenery on it. So I opted to put it down low, and then I strung lights all the way up to the top. You can see me too. And then this plaid skirt I just got, it's made in Scotland. I got it on, I think it was Depop for $12, and I got this shirt at a thrift shop actually for free. It's 100% silk, and this was like my go to my kids' Christmas pageant outfit. I've been loving wearing this wool skirt. I feel like it's a pair of jeans. It's so comfortable and warm and goes with so many different things. And then I made another magnolia wreath and hung it off the mirror. I was really, really into tartan ribbon this year. I had all this ribbon from last year. It was so nice not to have to keep running out and buying ribbon. And what I did this year was keep running out and buying lights. So slowly I am accumulating. Maybe next year I won't have to spend anything at all, although I'm sure I'll think of something. Made more magnolia wreaths for the armoires here and there, which was very quick and easy with super glue. Pardon the dolly. Like I said, we've been moving a lot of furniture this week. We've got a new stove going in our living room, and that's our old stove. So I'm just giving, this is the true Christmas tour. Now here we are in the living room, and we don't have our tree up. We have a tradition in our family of doing the tree usually on Christmas Eve for a couple reasons. Kind of to be really old fashioned, and then also because we always use a cedar, and cedar dries out very quickly and gets very pokey. I did decorate our mantelpiece, and I'm so happy to have lights up there this year. I put our golden nativity set and these beautiful golden twisty candles that my sister-in-law gave me. They're made in Italy. They're really special. And then I did another magnolia wreath above the mantelpiece. Dining room, I put 3 boxwood wreaths with tartan ribbons up on the 3 windows. Those are the pumpkins I'll be cooking for pumpkin pie this Christmas. And my shamrocks from St. Patrick's Day are doing really well, loving their life in here. We're having guests in a couple days, so I've got the table set and ready. In the winter we eat a lot in the kitchen, so this can stay kind of neat and tidy till then, with the festive tablecloths on. And then this year for the mantelpiece, I did a little simpler than last year, but I'm loving the battery powered lights, and I got the 1 star. I got the 1 star to rest perfectly over the creche in this beautiful cutout that a student of my dad's made. He has a little business doing these cutout pieces of art. So it's a meaningful piece of art for us from someone that we know. And then just some red ribbon and cedar and lots of boxwood. This year I want to read to you again, like last year, my favorite Christmas poem, The Burning Babe by Robert Southwell. As I in hoary winter's night stood shivering in the snow, surprised I was with sudden heat, which made my heart to glow, and lifting up a fearful eye to view what fire was near, a pretty babe all burning bright did in the air appear, who scorched with excessive heat such floods of tears did shed, as though his floods should quench his flames with which his tears were fed. Alas, quoth he, but newly born in fiery heats I fry, yet none approach to warm their hearts or feel my fire, but I. My faultless breast the furnace is, the fuel wounding thorns. Love is the fire, and sighs the smoke, the ashes shame and scorns. The fuel justice layeth on, and mercy blows the coals. The metal in this furnace wrought our men's defiled souls. For which, as now on fire I am to work them to their good, so will I melt into a bath to wash them in my blood. With this he vanished out of sight, and swiftly shrunk away, and straight I call it unto mind that it was Christmas Day. He wrote that in 1602. I hope that you and your family have a very Merry Christmas, and from all of us at Old World Farmhouse, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you so much for watching my channel. It really means a lot to me.